I apologize for the audio ahead. I did not know that it messed up like it did. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little casting. I got a bowl to cast. It's spalted maple. I've already got it in the bottom of a 5-gallon bucket. It's glued down so it doesn't come up on me. We're going to be casting with Alumilite Clear Slow. And it's got about a 12-minute work time, 4-hour demold time. So I should be able to demold it in the morning. We're also going to be using Eye Candy color. If you don't know, I recently got a affiliate, with them. And we're going to be using the Glimmer Ghost White and Ninja Black. That's what we're using today. I'm just going to do a black and white bowl. This particular maple that we have is pretty spalted. I think it'll kind of go with it pretty well. So we're going to go ahead and get our stuff measured up, and I'll bring you back in when we start mixing it up. Alright, so we've weighed up 2,000 grams Clear Slow. I'll mix this up for a little while. Go ahead and get a temperature on it now. 68 degrees. I'll leave a code down below for the eye candy. Be wacky with the EY 10. You can get 10% off if you order it from their website. I'll also leave a link to it down there as well. I found their colors are pretty amazing. I casted these cups out of them here. They turned out pretty good. I don't know if you use a pressure pot for this stuff, but that's pretty well. I think it's good enough there. Now, I don't have a big enough container, so I'm going to use 3 separate ones and pour this down, get it separated by half. So I'll use these 3 for my black, these 3 here for my black, and I'll use the bucket for the white. And I'll put this Ninja Black. I think this is going to be more of a matte black, the way it looks, but I haven't used it yet. Looking forward to it. Those mixed up. Really got to get them sides. You'll see that the color tends to stick there. So I like using these clear cups, and you can get them pretty cheap. I get mine right off Amazon, buy them in bulk. Spending like 2 cents on each cup or something. Keep my shop about 68 degrees, so it tends to heat up pretty fast. And the white over here at 82, 82, 82, and 82. Alright, so I'm going to slide these out of the way. Just like to have everything ready. Because once this stuff starts to go, it's kind of go time. And I'm going to try to film it all. We'll see how that goes. Alright, I brought you back. It's running about 98 to 95 degrees right now. And usually at that point it's going to start to get it pretty quick. As far as temperature, I like to pour about 110, maybe 100 degrees. But I tend to live on the very edge of it, as I've been told a couple of times, and I've been caught with my pants down. Never lost a pour, but came close. But it's getting really close to the point where I'm going to start getting my stirring sticks out of the mix, so I can feel it's pretty hot. It will literally go from a liquid to a gel to not being able to use really quickly. So I'm going to start pouring this now and get the camera set up, go right above it. Just a touch. There we go. All right. So, all right, I'm going to put some white in this. Some more black. Some more white. Black. And let me go ahead and get the spatula. Gotta get this stuff out of here. Well, I filled that up just about right. Let me see here. It's getting really thick right now. To the point, I'm going to do a couple swirls. This is going to drop some, I can feel it. This is stabilized, so it shouldn't drop a whole bunch, but I think it's going to drop some. Let's see here if I can bring you all out to the pressure pot. We'll get this thing locked down. Put the pressure up to 60 psi. And that's it. She is finished. And so I'll leave this here for 4 hours. And at that time I'll do you doing some cleanup. And that's it, guys. I'll bring you back tomorrow for the what it looks like, the unveil. And that'll be it. Alright, it's the next day. And we have a unveil to do here. So let's all take a look at it for the first time. Well, there it be right there. I don't know if you can see that. Let's put it over here on the table. Well, there you have it. That's what it looks like. There it goes. She gave away. There it goes. hello to you too. That there is the glue I used to hold it down. So you got some white that came in there. So there it be. So this measures 10.5, 10 5/8 on the top, and it's right at 10 on the bottom. And it is 5 1/4 tall. And so I'll turn this into a bowl. Well, I'm glad y'all came along for the journey. I will video the turning of this at a later date. I like for them to sit up a little bit longer. Later on today, I will be casting this one here. It's all ready to go. It's already sealed in the bottom. And I'll be using these two colors, which is Eye Candy's Dark Ocean Green and Penny Copper. I'm going to mix those two together and do the same thing kind of like this one here. Alright, like, share, and subscribe. If y'all really got any comments, please put them down below. I read every single one of them, try to post every single one of them. And until next time, y'all have a good one.